Say hello.
Hello there, hi YouTubers, how are you? I hope you're feeling good and well. Here's something that I'd like to say about this Hoover washing machine of mine that I purchased about 6 months ago. So here goes. Right, these machines are a nightmare. The first machine did not rinse the clothes properly. They came out dripping wet and ruined my flooring, carpets. The second machine, the water started leaking from the bottom of the front door. I had never seen anything like it in my life. I did not know what to do or how to turn the machine off. The third machine is still faulty, as the 14-minute wash takes about 25 minutes, plus it drains and rinses more than once when the cycle is finished. The machine feels a little bit like a toy. I am checking every 10 minutes in case it leaks again. I feel fear and have lost my confidence. I will not buy this machine, this make rather, ever again. Cannot believe that after just 2 months, this machine has yet another problem. After doing the washing one evening, when I woke up in the morning, I was horrified that the machine and dispenser filled up with water. I used the spin and drain cycle to clear the water. It still fills up with water, and I'm having to manually drain the water every morning and evening, which is a nightmare, as you can well imagine. The engineer will call in 2 weeks' time, the earliest appointment. I dread to think how much my water bill will come to. Am I the unluckiest? Thank you.